Good day. My name is Samson Uti. I'm the CEO of Samkes Technologies. I just want to take a little of your time to just demo how Prodisys works. So this interface we see here, I'm going to use Excel because I actually used Excel while I was working in the FMCG industry, but Excel is kind of limited in what it could do. That's why I want to build it into a software. So this is the user interface for the warehouse. So this is the description, like the opening stock. These are the sales rep. This is Benedict. This is Victoria. This is Mercy. So these are people that goods were issued to. Now, these are the products, the SKUs. This is Boost by 12. This is Boost Pets. This is Boost by 16. This is Boost Can. Now, each of them have an opening balance. Like the Boost by 12 had an opening balance of 52. The Boost Pet had an opening balance of 166. So what we see here is actually the goods received by each individual sales rep. Over here, it was retrieved from Benedict. Here, 50 was actually given to Benedict. But what we intend to do actually is we intend to use RFID technology such that for each of these products, this 50 which appeared here will actually appear automatically. The moment the RFID on the product is scanned, it will show that 50 of this particular product has been issued, of which the moment it leaves the warehouse interface, showing as 50 here, it actually appears in the sales reps interface that he has received that 50. So what happens is for each of these products that were received, it sums it up as issued product here, then the closing stock here. Now, we scroll down a little so that we can see what happens when we receive. Now, this is what happens when we receive products. So over here, 1,600 Boost by 12 were received, 1,300 Boost Pets were received, 224 Boost by 16 were received also. So what happens is our new closing balance here is 1,600. Now this works like most other inventory management softwares, like an ERP. But the major difference is that we'll be using RFID technology, meaning most of the goods going out, we'll be able to track them and trace them. Over here, Benedict received 250, Victoria received 400. So we want to use Victoria over here as a case study. Over here, Victoria received 400 Boost by 12, received 300 Boost Pets, 120 Boost by 16, 60 Lucozade Sports, 50 Rebna by 16. Now let's come into this interface. This is the interface for the sales rep. This interface is for Victoria precisely. Now those figures we saw over there, these are them here. Now Boost by 12, Victoria received 400. She received 120 Boost by 16, received 300 Boost Pets. Now she had the previous balance of 98 for the Boost by 12, meaning our new balance is 498. Now, what also happens is with the use of the RFID technology, the RFID tags, the moment they leave the vans, they are calculated as sales. So over here, the moment Victoria sells any amount of product, the RFID business scans and realizes that okay, 45 is gone, so it calculates it as sales. So what happens is all these figures are actually automatically generated, so that if over here I remove this 45 and let's say 60, it automatically calculates the amount to be 81,000 here. So because all the prices are fixed on this place, and this is subject to the distributor's change alone. Now, something else we need to observe is over here it calculates the total amount of money owed by Victoria. It also shows the amount of money that Victoria was previously owing. It's showing this is our new balance here. Then it shows how much she paid to the bank. So meaning this is the real amount she's owing as of today. Now these informations are very vital because especially in these sales the sold column, because this is how a lot of fraud takes place, like whereby a sales rep sells 100, but he only writes in his invoice that is sold 40. But here it is automatically generated, so the business owner already knows exactly what was sold, and with this he can make a lot of decisions. Now, apart from these, there are other functionalities that we did not include here because we just wanted to show how the major part of the demo works. Other things like the business owner can get a full report of sales rep, all their entire sales, all the debtors list. It can also get information like stock balance. It can get information such as expiry, the goods that are about to expire. It can also generate a proposed order. Now, these are some of the features which will be added, but because Excel is a bit limited. We cannot use Excel. So our aim actually is to eliminate fraud and error. And with this software, we intend to use the RFID technology of tracking and tracing to be able to implement all of this as well as possible to eliminate fraud. Key point to eliminate fraud. Thank you.